Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've got the TV physically connected. Now begin on the PC. Open Display Settings and detect the TV. This ensures Windows recognizes it. Make sure the TV is on the correct input, and if available, enable PC or game mode so colors and timing aren't altered. Use HDMI or display port that matches the TV's specs. 4K needs HDMI 2, 0 or higher. Once the display appears, don't change everything at once. Confirm refresh rates first to avoid unsupported combinations. Now select the TV and choose its native resolution to preserve sharpness. Windows lists resolutions. Pick 3840 x 2160 for 4K TVs. Adjust scaling so UI elements are readable from your couch. Try 100%, then 125% or 150% if items look too small. Next, set the refresh rate to a supported value. 60 Hz is ideal for smooth motion. If HDR is available, toggle it and finish by choosing Extend or Mirror based on how you work. Extend for extra space, Mirror for identical screens. Make sure orientation is landscape and move the taskbar if needed. Route audio to the TV through HDMI if you want sound there, and test playback volume. If the image is blank or flickers, restart both devices, try another cable or port, and temporarily lower the resolution to isolate codec or bandwidth issues. One last tip: update GPU drivers to resolve most compatibility errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.